purifier unmasked, a behind-the-scenes look. Once upon a time, there was a brave little hero called Air Purifier. Its mission? To keep you safe from all the junk in the air you don't want to breathe in. Stuff like dust, pollen, and a bunch of tiny particles you can't even see. Think of the air purifier like a super-powered vacuum. It pulls in the air from the room, but it doesn't just suck up everything. Picture it more like airport security. All the air that enters the purifier has to pass through a magical gate, known as a filter. First off, there's the pre-filter. This guy is like the bouncer at the club. Its job is to deal with the large troublemakers, pet hair or dust. That way, the other filters can handle the smaller and trickier stuff. Next up, the air's gotta get through the activated carbon filter. This filter is a pro at trapping odors and gases. Stinky smells like smoke or that wet dog. It gets rid of volatile organic compounds too. These are harmful substances found in detergents, cosmetics or paints. Then we've got the true HEPA filter. This guy is the real MVP. It's like a superhero catching the smallest particles that the other filters might not see. We're talking stuff as tiny as 0.3 microns. That includes allergens, mold spores, and even some bacteria and viruses. But this air purifier has another trick up its sleeve. It also humidifies the air. After the air gets cleaned, it goes through a humidifier. Imagine it like a mini fountain or sprayer inside the machine. The water turns into tiny droplets that get added to the clean air. Then the purifier blows it back into the room. This helps keep the moisture level in the room just right. Only now the air is way cleaner and healthier to breathe. It's like the air purifier gives it a fresh start. Our little hero keeps up this routine over and over, making sure the air in your home is as clean as can be. It's a never-ending cleaner party. And there you have it. This is the wild journey our hero subjects the air to before it's so. Next time you take a deep breath of clean air in your home, you will know what it's been through. Have you tried it? How is your air purifier doing in your home? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to smash the like button and hit subscribe to stay connected. Thanks for watching and have a good one!